force and potential energy. Then another question based on graph of potential energy versus distance, calculation of potential energy, mechanical energy, maximum speed, minimum speed, acceleration, zero conditions, positive, negative, zero acceleration. Then we have another question based on Newton's laws of motion. A block is kept over here, and it's moving with a certain velocity. We need to find maximum displacement of the or you can say that maximum extension in the length of the spring. Then we have another numerical based question on the basis of calculations of acceleration, mean position, maximum extension, acceleration, and force. Then we have another question based on that calculation of various parameters like time period, frequency, x max, x minimum. Then we have another spring block mass problem. So block is displaced to the right by a distance 10. We need to find acceleration, force, time, angular frequency, amplitude, one cycle distance, one cycle displacement, one cycle average velocity. Then we have another problem based on K equivalent of springs in series and parallel combination. So these are questions based on that, various questions based on them. Infinite series problem in different cases. Then we have calculations of K equivalent in different cases over here. Here is also another problem in which K1 and K2 are made of rubbers. We need to find time period of SHM in this question. It's a good one. Then we need to find there are certain concepts for the pseudo force, accelerated frame, non-inertial frame, analysis of them, expression of pseudo force, numerical problem based on pseudo force for the calculation of tension in the string. Then we have another question on wedge block problem. So the question is that what should be acceleration of the wedge so that there is no slipping between M1 and M2. So there is we resolved the motion along x-axis and y-axis, then apply equation of motion and conditions gives a is equals to g tan theta. Applying equation along y-axis leads to the calculation of the normal reaction, which is mg sec theta. So this question has been asked many times in JEE main and NEET. Many times it has been asked. Then we have another question based on two block and spring problem. Force is applied. We need to find spring force, then extension, then acceleration. Then we have another question from the calculation of moment of inertia of a system of three rods. Moment of inertia about x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. Calculations involved over